So right now, Rufus is barking at a blackbird in a tree, and the bird is barking back. It's pretty funny.
He treed the bird.
Yeah, he treed the bird. He chased it in the
marsh. Right
in the marsh, and it went into this tree, and they've just been talking to each other. It's kind of funny. You can't really see the bird, but he's on the horizontal branch going to the right, kind of near the top of the screen.
There it is. There's the bird.
Yeah, now you can kind of see
looking down
it.
at him.
It's too funny. Oh, and it's April the... What day is it? 20... Oh, yeah, it's Stacy's birthday today. April the 27th. Second nice day of the year.